Hello everyone, here's a quick tutorial on how to make an animation with an ARKit head animation. First, prepare your main body animation. Make sure the FPS is the same as the FPS of the ARKit animation you will be including, which is typically 30 FPS. Then import the ARKit FBX into your scene. Prepare your ARKit animation using the steps from the ARKit head animation tutorial. Import your CSV animation data file with the ARKit CSV animation importer add-on. Use the Spring Bones add-on to simulate physics if needed, then bake the physics animation onto the body. Label your actions, select the head, shift select the body, and shift select the skeleton. Export as FBX, making sure to limit the selection to selected only and unchecking add leaf bones. Derive from an empty clothing product in IMVU Studio. Import the FBX into IMVU Studio, unchecking the meshes and materials. Configure your action in the Actions tab by creating a new action and configuring an ensemble with the skeleton action and the morph actions. Click preview and then play your action to see the results. Be sure to leave your questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and here's some more 3D videos.